Hello and welcome back to Innoven Foods. I'm Nahida and today we are giving regular boiled eggs a spicy and crispy twist. We are making egg masala balls, crispy on the outside, flavorful and creamy inside. Let's begin. Start with 4 boiled eggs. Cut it slightly and carefully remove the yolks. Eggs are rich in high-quality protein and essential nutrients. The spices used help in digestion and add anti-inflammatory benefits. Heat 1 tablespoon oil in a pan. Add half cup chopped onion and 1 chopped green chilli. Saute on low heat. Add half teaspoon ginger garlic paste, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon cumin, and half teaspoon chaat masala. Mix and cook until soft and aromatic. Now add the egg yolks, break them gently. Coriander and cumin add antioxidant to your meal. And stir in some chopped coriander leaves. Cook for 1 more minute, then set aside to cool. Let's prepare the coating. In a bowl, mix 1/4 cup flour with half cup water to make a smooth slurry. In another bowl, take breadcrumbs and 1 teaspoon chili flakes and 1 tablespoon chopped coriander. Mix well. This snack is low in carbs and high in good fats if you skip breadcrumbs. Take the egg whites, spoon in the masala yolk mixture. This is a creative makeover of simple boiled eggs. Masala egg snacks like this are quite popular in Indian street food stalls. You can make them ahead and fry just before serving. Kids love them. They look like nuggets but are full of protein. Always cool the masala filling before stuffing the egg whites to avoid cracking. Dip each into the flour slurry, then coat them evenly in the breadcrumb mixture. Use fine breadcrumbs for an even crispy coating. Now fry in medium heated oil until they turn golden and crispy. Don't over fry, just cook until golden to keep the inside moist. You can bake or air fry them as a healthier option. Your egg masala ball are ready to enjoy. Ever tried giving eggs a crispy makeover like this? Which masala mix would you try to next? Spicy or cheesy? Would you prefer this as a tea time snack or lunchbox treat? Tag a friend who always asks for creative egg recipes. So that was our spicy crunchy egg masala ball. The perfect way to making eggs exciting. If you love this recipe, don't forget to like, share and comment. Subscribe to Innoven Foods for more quick, tasty and fun food ideas. See you in the next one. Until then, keep cooking and keep smiling.